Glock 43X MOS version, already pre-cut for an optic. And this is the Holosun, where is it? 507K. It's made for it as well, except there's two nubs up front. We have two holes up front. We have two screw holes in the middle that line up, but these two little nubs in the back, there's no cutout. So we have to file down the Glock slide to fit this Holosun. So let's do that. All right, I got the slide mostly taped off. So we're just gonna file down those two rear nubs over here. Just while I do bulk of the filing, I don't wanna accidentally slip and scratch the slide. So I just stopped to do a test. I don't have them milled down all the way, but pretty close. So I went to do a test fit, and you can't see it without light behind it. Let me see if I can. There you go. You can see it like that. See, there's a small gap under there. So then I got my calipers and I measured the depth on the Holosun of the front nubs here, and they're actually 0.71 millimeters deep. And I measured how far they stick up on the Glock slide right there, and that's actually exactly 1 millimeter. So I need to shave off 0.3 mils on both of those front ones. The screws are a bit long, so we're going to file them down just a little bit. Now we're going to use some of this permablue to put it on the places where we filed down to prevent rust and corrosion and to protect it. Now just take our bluing solution and dab it on. Make sure we get it all the little places we scratched. And don't forget to do the ends of the little screws we filed down. So the screws don't rust and corrode. All right, now that we got our gun oil on there, we'll let it sit overnight, and then we will reassemble the optic in the morning. All done. It turned out pretty well, as long as you take your time and tape everything off so you don't cause any unnecessary scratches. Don't forget to clean it really well and put a bluing solution on there so it doesn't rust. It fits flush and it does a pretty good co-witness with the stock sights. Good luck.